Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see question number 5. A driver of a car traveling at 52 km per hour applies the brakes and accelerates uniformly in the opposite direction. The car stops in 5 seconds. Here there are two situations. This is situation 1 and this is situation 2. Another driver going to 3 km per hour in another car applies his brakes slowly and stops in 10 seconds. Now the question is that on the same graph paper, plot the speed versus time graphs for the two cars. Which of the two cars travelled further after the brakes were applied? So here we are asked to draw the speed versus time graphs, for which we need to collect the data once again. So here let us write, this is for car 1, this is for car 1 or first car. Let us see here, this 52 km per hour is the speed. So here we can write speed is 52 kmph, kilometer per hour. Let us convert it into meter per second. So 52 into 5 by 18, then it will be converted into meter per second. Now 52 into 5 is 260 divided by 18 meter per second. On simplification, here we get it as 14.44 so on meter per second. Let's consider it as 14.4 meter per second. This is the speed of the first car. And here let us write the time also. The car stops in 5 seconds. So here time taken is 5 seconds. Let us write the same data for the car 2 also. Here is car 2. Another driver going at 3 km per hour. So we can write it as speed. Speed is 3 km per hour. Right. Now let us convert this value into meter per second. So 3 into 5 by 18 meter per second. This value will be 3 5s are 15, 15 by 18 meter per second. Now here on simplification, we get this value as 0.833 meter per second. So let us write it as 0.8 meter per second, for which time taken is, here you observe the question, and stops in 10 seconds. So here we can take time taken as 10 seconds. Now we are going to plot the graph by taking speed, that is 14.4. This is on y axis and time on x-axis. Similarly, this case also speed on y-axis and time on x-axis. In order to find which car travelled farther, that means the distance travelled by the car can be found if we draw the graphs individually and the area covered under the graph. Right? Now let's enter graph with these values: 14.4 5 seconds, 0.8 meter per second and 10 seconds. Right? And here speed is 14.4 and 0.8. For which here let us consider each as so here 2 is divided by, these are 10 lines. So each line indicates 0.2. Each one indicates 0.2. Now here as we need 14.4, see here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. After 14 you see the first line gets 14.2 and the second line gets 14.4. So this is here this is 14.4. This is 14.4. This second line 14.4 to 5. And for the second car 0.8 and 10 seconds. So here 0.2, 4, 6, 8. So here this is 0.8. Here this point indicates 0.8 and here is 10. So now we are going to join those two. Now here the area of the graph, which is a right angle triangle, so let us name it as PQ. So we write it as AB. Area of triangle OAB. This is what Distance travelled by car 1. Same way, area of triangle OPQ. Now we are going to find the distance. Area of triangle OAB. As we know area of triangle formula, half into base into height. Half into, here base is OB, that is nothing but 5. Height is OA, nothing but 14.4. So 5 into 7.2, nothing but 36 meters. Now let us find its distance. Is area under triangle OPQ. Same way here. See, this is the base 10 and height is 0.8. Height is 0.8. Ten into 0.4, 4 meters. Now here the question, which of the two cars travelled further after the brakes were applied? See here, therefore car 1 travelled further after the brakes were applied. With this question number 5 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.